EPFO Auto Settlement. The Employees Provident Fund organization has about 31.83 lakh in operative accounts, many of which have remained inactive for years. Around 41% have been inactive for 5 to 10 years, while 22% have been idle for more than 20 years. To address these issues, the EPFO Central Board of Trustees in its 239th meeting approved auto settlement of inoperative accounts with unclaimed balances of Rs 1,000 or less, transferring the amount directly to the members' registered bank accounts. EPF and EPFO meaning and functions. The Employee Provident Fund (EPF) is a government-backed retirement saving scheme. In this scheme, both the employer and the employee contribute a fixed percentage of the employee's basic salary to the EPF account. The contributions earn interest over time, helping employees build a retirement corpus. The accumulated amount, including both contributors and interest, can be withdrawn at retirement or under specific conditions. Employees Provident Fund Organization (EPFO). EPFO is a statutory body established by Government of India to administer provident fund schemes. It is managed by the Central Board of Trustees (CBT). The CBT administers three main schemes: Employee Provident Fund Scheme 1952, Employees Pension Scheme EPS 1995, Employees Deposit Linked Insurance (EDLI) Scheme 1976. EPFO supports the board's function through a network of 147 offices across India. Inoperative EPF account meaning and status. Inoperative EPF accounts are those provident fund accounts in which no interest is credited after a specified period. These typically belong to members who have retired after the age of 55. An EPF account becomes inoperative if no contribution is received for 3 consecutive years after the member turns 55 or retires, whichever is later. However, if the member is below 55 years and no contribution is made, the account continues to earn interest until the age of 58. As of March 31, 2025, there were 31.83 lakh inoperative accounts with deposits of about Rs 10,181 crore, excluding accounts of international workers. Auto settlement for inoperative accounts. The EPFO Central Board of Trustees approved a pilot project for auto settlement of inoperative EPF accounts with unclaimed balances of Rs 1,000 or less. In the first phase, over 1.33 lakh accounts holding about Rs 5.68 crore will be covered. Under this pilot, the money will be directly credited to members' Aadhaar seeded and EPFO linked bank account without requiring fresh claims or documents. If successful, the scheme may later be extended to accounts with balances above Rs 1,000. Status of inoperative EPF accounts in India. The EPFO covers 27.05 lakh establishments and 34.63 crore members. Out of these, 7.98 lakh establishments actively contribute, covering 7.83 crore contributing members. EPFO manages a total corpus of over 28.34 lakh crore. Distribution of inoperative accounts by duration. EPFO has 31.83 lakh inoperative EPF accounts, 12.90 lakh accounts, 40.52% have been inactive for 5 to 10 years, holding about Rs 3,402.25 crore. 6.93 lakh accounts, 21.75% have been idle for over 20 years with Rs 1,018.20 crore. 4.42 lakh accounts, 18.12% have been inactive for 3 to 5 years, containing Rs 2,336.32 crore. Distribution by account balance. Most inoperative accounts have small balances. 29.43 lakh accounts with balances up to Rs 50,000 together hold Rs 2,121 crore. However, only 13,000 accounts with balances above Rs 10 lakh contain Rs 4,553.57 crore, indicating significant funds locked in a small number of accounts. KYC verification and auto settlement eligibility. EPFO conducted KYC analysis to identify accounts eligible for auto settlement, which will initially apply to Aadhaar seeded accounts. 1.33 lakh Aadhaar verified accounts with balances up to Rs 1,000 hold about Rs 5.68 crore. 0.23 lakh Aadhaar and bank verified accounts hold around Rs 1.09 crore. Pilot studies and future scope. A pilot validation study is being conducted in 10 regional offices focusing on accounts with balances up to Rs 50,000. For accounts with balances above Rs 1,001, there are 6.8 lakh Aadhaar verified account holding Rs 5,212.42 crore and 2.31 lakh Aadhaar and bank verified account with 3,275.35 crore. These accounts may be considered for future phases of the auto settlement initiative.